Tim Strege with the William Factory Small Business Incubator. I invite you to join me and others at this year's Business Fair for a workshop on the business canvas model. Now, this is different than traditional business plans that you may have prepared in the past for bankers or for investors or for your own use. But the canvas model, sometimes called the lean business canvas model, is meant to specifically target segments of your business that you want to improve on customer marketing, on your improving your cash flows, on reducing some of your operational expenses. It gives you a tool, and we'll actually be presenting you a free business canvas model that you can take away and use on your own to identify some of these key strategies. Some call them breakthrough strategies that give you new ways of thinking to reach new customer markets, new geographic territories, to improve your business operations that would be practical and useful. And at the end of the session, we're also going to be giving away a free business assessment, something that incorporates some artificial intelligence tools that you can use for follow-up on 6, 7, 8 or more ways to make your enterprise more successful. And we're also going to be discussing something that's really covered in only a few graduate level courses, something called the consumer surplus. That is also a business profit surplus and a consumer surplus, but we'll be identifying ways that you increase your profits by increasing the usefulness of your product and services to your customers. And that improves customer referrals, provides more customer satisfaction, and increases the customer likely to come back to you for more add-on products and services that you'll be incorporating into your business by using this canvas model. So please join us. We welcome you at the Business Canvas model for this year's Business Fair. Thank you.